In today's video, I'll show you how you can convert your photos into video with music. To create lifelong memory. And for that, for example, these are the photos which I'll be converting into video with music. For that, first you need to have a video editor. In this case, I'm showing you Wondershare Filmora, which I use. And in case you want to use this, I'll leave the link in the description, which you can click and use it for free for some time. Once you're on the video editor, this is the section where you will import your videos, audio, and images. So in this case, I'm going to use the audio what is available within Filmora. If you want to bring your own audio, you can do that. If you want to bring you can bring that. Once you click on import, you go to the file or folder where you have your media, and then you can populate here. All your media will come and sit here. The other option is like I'm doing Control A here. So these are the image which I'll be bringing to the video editor, drag and drop. So once I do a drag and drop, you see this is the editing table where the photos will come and sit. So once I drop it here, you have photos here and the media has been imported here. So this is the photo. Right now, these photos, if you look at the photos dimension, they're not matching with the screen. And that is because right now, if you come to the project setting here, this is in 16:9 ratio, which is a horizontal screen size, the screen, what you have on laptop, if you're playing on YouTube, for example. So that's the screen size. And this is the resolution by default 1920 by 1080. That is full HD. So I'm keeping as it is and saying okay. In case you want to change any of these, you can do that. Once I say okay, so these are the image which we will now correct. So first image, once I select this, you come here. This is the section to crop, and here you can change the ratio to 16:9. So once I change the ratio, you see here, this is the ratio which is the screen size. Once I apply, to bring changes to remaining, all I will be doing is do a right click, come to effects and filter, copy, and then select the images, right click, effect and filter, and paste. So once I have done this, now you will see all the image what we have on this editor are consistent. They are covering the entire length and breadth of the screen. So this is the first part. To get music, you have three different options. First is the editor itself has audio option. If you come to the sound effect, these are all sound effect available. The one which are shown in diamond, you have to pay additionally to get these music. Right now I have the diamond access, so you can do with these music. Now if you're uploading online, the challenge is that if this music is not copyright free, you might get a copyright, and that actually sometimes people are not comfortable with. So if you want a copyright free music, you can come to YouTube where you can sign in using your credential. And once you come to the YouTube like this, you have YouTube Studio. So studio.youtube.com, and then your channel. Once you come here, you have this audio library here. This is the dashboard. Once you come down, this is the audio library. Here you have two types of music which you can download. One is attribution not required. The other one is attribution required. Both are free. If you download any of the attribution required music, you need to give credit in the description to the artist and the music. So you can choose any option. In case it is attribution not required, you just click download and this music can be used in your videos. So the third option is Filmora has a AI music tool. Once you click here, you see here in the audio section, you have this AI music tool. So once you click here, you can come and select the mood, theme, and genre. So here I'm selecting happy, then theme as photography, and genre as acoustic. So once I have selected this and I click generate, within no time the music is made. So here I already have a AI created music. These are AI created music. So let me play this. Not bad. Let me hear this. Okay, I'll go with this. So all I need to do is download and add to project. So once I click add to project, you see here the music is now here, and all I need to do is adjust photos with this audio. So to adjust photo with audio, you right click, and here smart edit tool will give you beat detection. So once you click here on the beat detection, you see here these are all the beat detection which it has done within no time. Now you don't have these many photos. So what you can do is I will be picking one photo with two of these beat intervals. So right now it's sitting here. The second one is sitting here. The third one I will adjust. Let me adjust this. So this is how the adjustment will happen. So let me finish this one by one. Once you learn to do this, a lot of shortcuts are available. You will be able to do pretty much within no time, and you can use your creativity to make the videos. So the best part about video is that you don't have to scroll one after the other, and you just play it, and one after the other the picture comes right in front of you. So here you see these beats are extra. So all I would be doing is I bring the cursor here and then click Control B. So Control B slices the audio part. We'll delete this. And now this audio, I don't want this audio to end abruptly. So I'll be clicking here, one click, and on right side, you see audio, you have fade out. So once I do fade out, you see here it has made an angle. That means after this, the audio starts to drop. So if you play this music now from start, you see here, now it will follow the beat what we have placed for the photo. So this way you can create the entire length of video. In case you feel that you don't want to have this 2 beat, you can reduce and you can trim the way I showed to you. Now, in addition, you can add these filters. These filters are pre-made templates. The ones which are shown diamond, they again, you have to go for a monthly paid subscription. So I will use, for example, the one which is free. Once you bring this filter here and drop it, this entire thing, the changes you can see now, I will bring this here and you see the change. So if you want to hide this part and see how the change looks, once I click here, you see, this is how the filter works. If you want to add effects, once you click on effect, you can use any of these effects. I will not go with the effect right now. And then you also have transition. So by bringing the transition, all you have to do is just drag and drop. And when the image changes from one to another, you will be able to see how this transition happens. So you see here. So you can add these transitions what you have. Again, remember the ones where you don't have diamond, they are free to use. In case you find any of them like this, then you need to have a additionally paid subscription. So once this entire thing is done, let me delete this. For example, this is your photo which is converted into video. All you have to do is click export, create video, and then you label the video. Here format is MP4 and resolution shows 1920 by 1080. If you want to change now, you can still do it here. These are all the options, and then you click export, and then your photo album in video form is ready. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see videos like this, please subscribe, share your comment, and thanks for watching.